Happy birthday to my grandson Gab Gab. Okay, kahit malayo ang mami ka mo, always remember that I really love you and I miss you so much, anak. Sana lagi kang magpakabait and always very good in school. And I'm really so proud of you, okay? Laki-laki na ng apo ko, grabe. Ikaw na lang ang natitira kong inspirasyon dyan kasama ang aking isa pang apo na si Aisley, okay? So, sana lagi kang mag-iingat and always magpakabait. Yes.